Hey, how's it going? I guess you're going to watch your first video here of sixth grade, and we are going to do it on your mathography. So you're going to come to your computer and you're going to get a file. It's going to look a little bit different than this because when you click on it, it's going to take you to making a copy. So we're going to make a copy of this presentation right here. Okay, so mine's going to look a little bit different than yours, but I'm going to rename it. And what I would suggest renaming it to is what core you are in. So core 1, and then put your name, and then there you have it labeled right there. And then we're going to just make a copy of it and click OK. So then you have this copy that's going to come up, and you're going to be able to edit it. Before you can edit that, though, what I'd like you to do is click up here in the right-hand corner on this share button. It's yellow, and this way then it will share with me, and I'll be able to see what it is that you have put in, and it'll allow me to get to know you a little bit better. So right up here, add people, you're just going to put in my name, and my name should appear right there. You'll see a picture there of my 3 kids. You can click on that, and then that will take you right to me, and you can have it just send me an email once you have done that, and then that way I have access to looking at what it is. So click on send, and then it'll share with me. Okay. All right. So now all the mathography is just a biography about you. And the very first slide, don't forget to put your name here. Oh, sorry. So if I double click on it, it'll highlight it. Okay. So right there is my name. All right. Moving on the left-hand side, this is how I'm going to move my slides around. Hopefully you're familiar with moving on slides, and you've done it before in 5th grade. Right here on the left-hand side of the slide itself is going to give us the directions. Okay. If you need a video on how to take a selfie, or you can just go find a picture of yourself. You don't even have to take the selfie. It's totally up to you. And then right over here in this red box, you're going to type in. So again, if I just single click on it, I can type in, highlight it, and just say, I enjoy being outdoors, something, but just tell me about yourself. 5 complete sentences. So obviously I don't have enough there. If you have questions on it, please feel free to contact me. I'm more than happy to help you. On the second slide, try to find 6 images that represent you. Okay. This is really about you just understanding how to take screenshots, how to upload images. If you're struggling with it, again, don't sweat it. We'll have some time. We can kind of work through it, but just let me know if you have some questions about it. Okay. Moving on to the third slide. How do you feel about math? What's your good experience? Again, if I double click on it, I can get rid of it. Okay. And then what's your bad experience? Okay. Whatever it happens to be, doesn't need to be a lengthy story or anything like that, but it gives me a little insight into what your math experience has been like. Moving on to the 5th slide, what are some things that you like about math? You can fill this in right here. You just type in onto the green boxes and fill that in. And then on the 5th slide, there are things I don't like about math, and you can fill that in. So finally, the last slide, so we only have to worry about 6 slides, is try to come up with some goals for the year and think back to where were you in fifth grade? Maybe in fourth grade, math was really good. Fifth grade, it wasn't so good. So think of some goals that you can do to help yourself get to that point of being back where you were in fourth grade. Or think about what grade do you want to get in math, and then how are you going to achieve that. So just think about what goals you want to have throughout the year, and it's okay to adjust your goals as you go. Okay. So again, if you have any questions, please let me know. This is an assignment that is not meant to take you a really long time. All right. See ya. Can't wait to see what you do.